Good morning, Tigers! Today we're going to be talking about a new chapter, Chapter 3, Lesson 1, Multiplying by Tens. Now, there's a couple of different options for this lesson, but the ones that we suggest are going to be using place value or using your basic fact patterns. So let's talk about place value first with this first problem, 12 times 40. So if we think about this problem, 12 times 40, well, 12 is pretty straightforward, but 40, if we change the way we think about that, we could say that is 4 tens. Because we know 4 tens is the same as 40. So that means I can rewrite the problem as 12 times 4 tens. And at this point, now we have a basic math fact. So if I do that, 12 times 4, so 12, 24, 36, 48. That means it is 48, but it's also 48 tens because we multiplied by 4 tens. Now we just have to think, well, that tens means that we add on a 0, just one 0, because it's a tens place. So that means that 48 tens is really 480. Now, the second option is to use the basic math, or the basic fact patterns. So similar to what we did with place value, we'll leave the 12 alone, and we'll take the 0 off of the 4 because then we have a basic math pattern, 12 times 4. So 12 times 4, that equals 48, but then because we took away that 0 from the 40, we have to add it back on. And that's that. Now, it's similar with the second problem too, 17 times 30. So again, let's do it with place values first. I've got 30, which is the same as saying it is 3 tens. So I can rewrite that problem with place value as 17 times 3 tens. Now here's the thing, 17 times 3, that is a basic fact, but it's a little bit tricky, so we can do a brain dump. So 17 times 1 is 17, absolutely. 17 times 2. 34? Yep, 34. Okay, so then that means 17 times 3. 51, absolutely. So that means 17 times 3 is 51, but it's not just 51, it's 51 tens. And then again, because we think about that as tens, we're just adding a 0 because it's the tens place. We need that placeholder 0. That makes it 510 is our final answer. And then same thing with the basic math, the basic fact patterns, guys. You do the same kind of thing. We take 17 times 30, but if we drop that 0 for just a second, it's 17 times 3. And if we do our brain dump, we know 17 times 3 is 51. And then we just have to take that 0 that we took away and bring it down. So that means our final answer is 510. So, multiplying with tens, you guys have already been doing it. Now we're just moving up into double digits. So don't freak out, use the strategies you know, and you've got this. Have a great day!